Hello guys, welcome to another what I eat in a day video with my new carrot cake pancake recipe. So without further ado, let's dive into it. For breakfast, I made carrot cake pancakes. For ingredients, you'll need rolled oats, a ripe banana, half a small carrot, almond milk or any kind of plant-based milk, baking powder or baking soda. For tools, you will need a blender and measuring spoons. I blended the oats first to make oat flour, but this step is optional. You can totally blend all the ingredients all together. Then add some cinnamon powder or pumpkin pie spice. Add in the banana and carrot. You don't need to shred it like what I'm doing now. After blending, I realized that there wouldn't be any shreds in the batter anymore. Roughly chopping it into small chunks and tossing them all into the blender is the easiest way. If you want the shreds, add them in after blending. Then followed by some almond milk. Blend till smooth. Now for the pancake making, bring a non-stick pan on medium-high heat, about 180 degrees Celsius if you are using IH. Pour the batter from height onto the center of the pan to make a perfectly round shape. Wait with patience until there are lots of bubbles coming out and you can see the difference on the surface. Then flip it. Look at the perfect golden color. You want all the pancakes to look like this, so keep on going. When the batter is used up, it's time to stack and decorate. I top them off with soy yogurt, maple syrup, and also some shredded carrot. And that's it. For lunch, I had a very simple berry pie. I know it's not what people usually have for lunch, but since we are all staying at home, we can cook and eat whatever we like, whenever we like. I slightly rolled out the pie sheet I bought from a store which is accidentally vegan. Then I spread the sheet on the baking tray. For fillings, I used frozen strawberries and blueberries. Actually, you are supposed to use some kind of thickener to make the filling, or it will turn out into a soup. Well, that's how mine turned out to be. I didn't know that. How silly. Or am I just too lazy? Then I folded in the edges. And I also drizzle some maple syrup and lemon juice on top. After that, I added another layer of pie sheet and bake this in the oven for about 15 minutes. The final result turned out to be quite lovely, despite the soup part, which I had to eat with a spoon. For snack, I had a bag of potato crisps, which was nori flavor. Well, not very healthy though. Moving on to dinner, I made myself a bowl of pasta salad, which has been my current obsession. It's effortless to assemble and required zero cooking skills. I bought some pasta, along with the leftover carrots from breakfast and some frozen veggies. I used frozen peas, corns, carrots, and frozen broccolis. And lastly, I added in some dried seaweed. Then I drained the pasta. Albert pasta is quite tricky when it comes to draining. It requires stirring and patience. Meanwhile, I poured myself a glass of veggie juice and cut some cucumbers. Lastly, I moved all the ingredients into a large bowl and stirred in some vegan mayo and pink salt. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. I'll be thrilled if you subscribe. Until next time, bye.